All right, cool. So, wanted to make this video today, guys, just because I've been shooting a ton of film this year, which has been really awesome. It's been a really big change and a really big challenge from mostly just shooting digital since I moved out to LA. And even before then in Indiana, I was shooting a lot of digital photography as well. But this was the year that film photography really kicked in for me. This is the year I bought my medium format film camera. And this was the year where I really tried out a ton of different film stocks to see what I prefer going forward for my photo shoots. I recently just tried out Kodak Gold 200 for 120 film, and I was actually shocked by the results. Kodak Gold 200 is known as a cheaper film stock. It is a lot cheaper, well, I don't want to say a lot, but it is cheaper than Portra 400. So in this video, I ended up shooting Portra 400 on 35mm, and also in this video, I ended up shooting Kodak Gold 200 on 120. I didn't really know what to expect. I know a lot of people love it, and I know a lot of people shoot with it, but I wanted to see what I could do with it on my own shoot, in my own time, on my own hands. So in this video, we're going to be shooting some Kodak Gold 200 on 120 and some Portra 400 35, and you're going to see why people would compare them to each other, but you're also going to see that Kodak Gold does have its own characteristics, which I'm really excited to show you guys in this video. Cool, well, I'm ready. Okay, cool. So I think we could go a little bit further back. Yeah, I think, yeah, you can just lean into it a little bit. Yeah, let's try that out. Let me zoom in here. Oh, like this. This looks sick. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Try going against the wall a little bit and like maybe take your hands and like press off like that. A little bit more extended though. Kind of over exaggerating it a bit. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you can look in camera. Sick. 3, 2, 1. And let's shoot one more this way. I'll get a full body. This looks sick. And go ahead and just straighten your arm out, but then, yeah. And then lean down a little bit more. Yeah, it's sick. 3, 2, 1. Fire. Okay, let's see what, this door is kind of interesting. What if you just stood right there, and I'll just take one like this. I think for the pose, you could get crossover, yeah. Let me see. Give me one looking right in the camera. Yeah, like that. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Cool. Okay, let's peep the rest of this. I have no clue what it even, oh, we got some sick light. This is crazy. Let me move the camera down. I think we could do some cool stuff over here. So let's have you go, yeah, more on the corner right there. Okay, 3, 2, nice.
How does the low angle look here?
Yeah, I mean, where would you be at?
Right here, down here.
Oh yeah, shooting with that up? Yeah, we can do it. Let's get a wider lens. Maybe some like in the door now. What's that? Like a month and a half ago? Yeah, it's been sick. Like I've been seeing, weirdly enough, some success on there. Yeah, we got a couple of brand deals coming up that were like just from YouTube. Yeah, dude. Yeah, like just from my videos. Yeah, bro, I know. It's like low-key what I've like been dreaming of having for a while. All right, we're gonna let that run. Now we can like get really like creative and move around faster and stuff. I think, seeing this light right here though, maybe, yeah, stand up for me real quick. Yeah, that's a good pose. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Maybe turn a little bit more that way. Let me see what that looks like. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then look into the camera, same pose. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, sick. That felt good. Let's do one like with the lighting on you. So turn and then take a step back. Yeah, yep. Love that. The background looks sick too. Yep, just like that. That's a good pose. 3, 2, and 1. Crushing it. Close up right here. And one more look in here with eyes. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Nice, bro. Crushing it. I'm feeling good about these. I wish I could show you them. That's like also another part, but
It's so much more fun.
and it looks so much cooler, bro. And I'm gonna drop these off like literally right after the shoot. I shoot 120 and 35 on all my shoots now. It gets expensive, but it's like so worth it. To our eye, it's better than like digital. So I'm sticking with it. I don't have any issues. I want one of you like standing. I think we could do a cool one of you like, if you can, in the shoes. If not, it's all good. I was gonna like put your heels on the edge there. Yeah, and just see if something's possible here. It's kind of a weird pose. Yeah, that's sick, dude. It looks good. All right, and here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, nice. Do one more zoomed in, looking here. Take your chin and do this. Yep, just like that. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice. Maybe we like, you want to try some on the, wait. Let me get some 120 of it, yeah. Like this whole thing is so dope.
Bro, I went to India.
Oh, wow, I would love to go to India.
End of last year for
Yeah.
Bro, you would love it. It's the best, like, creatively for a videographer and photographer.
Yeah.
It's the best.
Colors are probably insane. So sick though. Okay. This has more of a zoom lens too, so. Get back here. All right, cool. Here we go. 3, 2, and nice. Wait, this looks kind of crazy too. The light on the edge there. Yeah, you see that? Like even with your shadow, it's kind of tough. What if you just stood in the corner of it? I want to see what it looks like. 3, 2, 1. Nice. And then let's do one where you're facing me flat. Maybe go flat with this wall. Let's get you like half shadow, half light. Yeah, yeah. And 3, 2, 1. Nice. I'm gonna do one from a little bit further away. I think go ahead and bring both hands up like this. Kick your feet out a little bit. So maybe, yeah, something like that. And then try to go half a little bit. Yep. A little bit more that way. All right, right there. Yeah, looks great. 3, 2, and nice. Okay. That felt good. Let's just explore around a little bit.
Yeah, we can probably push around.
Cool. Yeah, let's go that way. See, I think we'll have you stand next to it, and I'm gonna be over here. Yeah, just like fitting that in the frame is cool. Cool. I think looking out towards this wall over here. Let me take a step back, zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that's dope. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. It looks super sick. Let's maybe see if we can get some light on you. Maybe like turn a little bit this way. I kind of like this whole like lighting situation. Nice. Cool. Try another spot. So I'll shoot a couple on 35 and maybe just do like a sideways. Yep. Kind of look up and turn your chin more straight, like with your body. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me get out the medium format real quick. All right, and here we go. 3, 2, 1. This photo right here ended up being one of my favorite photos of the whole video. I just love how sharp it came out, and the colors from Kodak Gold 200 came out amazing. I also was very impressed with how sharp Kodak Gold 200 is, because I wasn't sure on how it was going to handle it, because we were shooting in an alleyway where there was a little bit less light, but it ended up coming out super great and super clean. Go over this way a little bit more. Just like a couple more steps. I want you kind of like in the middle of the door. Yeah, right there. Yeah. You can step fully out into the sun though, I think. I like the crossing of the legs, and I think you can just have your hands down. I kind of, and like lean back a little bit. Let me see what, yeah, something like that. That's sick. Yeah, perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. And another one. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, sick. The lighting is crazy right here. Keep forgetting I like need to be in the frame too. The wider shot here. 3, 2, and cool. Let's keep cruising that way. See if we can find something different. Sick. All right, let's start off with some reflection shots. Just see what we can do. I think it's gonna be helpful for you to stand like where the bright walls are in terms of like positioning. Can you look at yourself in that? So sick. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. I actually like looking at the sun how you just were. Yeah, same pose though, keep that. Yeah, that's sick. 3, 2, 1, just to have it. Do one more. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, cool. Now go stand over there, and I'm gonna kind of get low like this. Crazy. Take a step this way for me. Yeah, yeah. Sick. Okay. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Got a cool frame here. 3, 2, and 1. Skill to roll. I'll throw in another roll too real quick. That's 36 shots already off this one. And this one has 2 more here, so we are fucking moving. Just changing colors. This thing is crazy. Yeah, because the green with the red, that could look really sick. Let's have you turn this way, and I'm kind of gonna just use it as like a backdrop. I gotta like hide myself too, but yeah. There you go. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, even that looks sick right there. Autofocus. Nice. Actually, look down that way. Getting some light there. Yeah, it looks, yeah, it's dope. Okay. 3, 2, and 1. Get a little bit closer. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And maybe look in it. I just want to see if I can get something kind of crazy here. Yeah. Sick as fuck. Okay. Yep. Hold that. 3, 2, and nice. We're getting a lot of reflection stuff, I'm noticing.
Yeah.
It's looking pretty sick. Cool. All right. Hard. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Get like a full body with that light back there. Yeah, I like that, messing with the shades. It's fire. 3, 2, 1. Okay, come out here a little bit. I love this scene, so maybe standing like here. I'm gonna shoot like down here. Maybe shades on. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. And then act like you're putting the shades off and on. You don't have to look up though, stay, yeah, like that. And then with your eyes looking over there. And just do the motion, like take them off, put them on. Yep, yep, yep. Nice. Go block it, there we go. I think come a little closer anyway. Nice. I think it could be sick. Got one. Let's see. All right, and I think lean a little bit more forward above me. Yeah, like that. Yeah, perfect. Looking off down there. Nice. That one was fucking epic. The lighting was just beaming, bro. So I think go where this pillar's at, just to get some separation for you. Yeah. I think maybe, are you cool like putting your back against it and just crossing your arms? Maybe put the shades up a little bit more. Yeah, yeah, sick. All right, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Okay, step over here now. Kind of want to get just without the pillar. Yeah, like that. Sick. And let's do a full body. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then give me like more of like a careless stance, like pretty loose. Yeah, 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 that's good. Yeah, but I think like keep your chin straight with me and lean it off the wall. Yeah, yep, yep, yep. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, 1. Let me get closer like here. Wait, look back up a little bit. With your head like up. Yep. 3, 2, 1. And then maybe just bring your hands like on these things if you want. Just try something like pulling them or yeah, yeah. Eyes here, yep. 3, 2, 1. These are just weird, bro, and I love that. I love the weirdness. Yep. Sick. Okay. I mean, we have 5 more shots. Might as well kill it. Yeah. Let's just go right there to the alley and see if there's something. If not, we could probably just walk back and find something to shoot. Well, we have 4 more shots left, so let's just kill them. I think I like a lean like that. It's cool. 3, 2, and nice. Okay. Maybe stand back up like this, and maybe put your hands behind your back. Yeah. Stand up straighter a little bit. Yeah, yeah, like that. 3, 2. Okay. And wait, yeah, yeah. Stay there. Get a super wide shot. Yep, that's hard. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Let me shoot that same thing again. All right, yep, one more. 3, 2, and nice. All right, and I'm gonna zoom in and I think like, yeah, lean in, yeah, perfect, right there. 3, 2, 1. Chin more straight. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Nice, that was the end of the roll. So we did 3 rolls. Fuck yeah. I'm gonna get out of here, guys, but thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, we got some really cool stuff coming in the future. Again, and always, let me know if there's anything you guys would love to see, anything that I can help you guys out with. I am here for you, and I'm very reachable. So let me know. I'm excited to be filming videos, so the more ideas that you guys give me, aka the more help I can provide you. I'm out of here. I'll see you later. Peace. Not a bad view. All right. Peace.